right there, bro.
I'm like, damn, I was like, this shit is empty and it smells good like that.
No, those are full barrels.
Oh, okay.
So we're gonna go through there and we're gonna pull samples out of each one of those barrels. Yeah. You'll be surprised at what you enjoy. A lot of people come in here thinking they hate specific recipes and they end up picking that recipe.
So these barrels are around the same age?
The barrels that come into this room have to be at least 8 years old, and they usually top out around 12.
Okay.
So your youngest barrel is 9 years and 6 months old. Your oldest barrel is 11.6. So you got a good age range there. Third and fourth tiers usually proof out around 115, 118, somewhere in that range. And then of course 5 and 6 are going to be a little hotter. They're going to be around that 120 to 125. I've had some hit up to 130, but not a whole lot of those. And that's all because your heat rises. Your heat rises, your water will break down quicker than your alcohol, so your proof will go up.
Bottleshop. Today's a special day. Let me tell you why. We're over here at Four Roses in the private barrel selection, 1 through 10. This is what we're choosing from right now. Each of us, BBR, Black Bourbon, Black and Brown Podcast, we're doing our own thing over here, guys. We're over here thieving from the barrel, getting ready to taste all 10 samples. Let's get it. All right. Who's coming up? Oh yeah, we got that. What's up, guys? Jeff Hill, OC Bottleshop. So here's what's going on right now. We got 10 samples right here. We're trying to narrow it down to 3. It's difficult, right? The good thing about Four Roses is that it is the consistent brand. They have the 10 mash bills, but you know what you're getting with Four Roses, right? So all of it's good, but you can only pick one. Can I pick all 10? Okay. So this is the hard part, right? There's nuances, and you got to narrow it down to 3. And so we've been hearing people say, "Hey, man, this number is out. It might be someone's number 1. I don't know. No one's gonna lose, but at some point we gotta pick one. So that's what we're doing right now. We'll come back with the results. Jeff Hill, OC Bottleshop. But my man over here has been like super technical. He's got like copious note taking in the round 4. I gotta see where you land. He's detailed.
Bro, it's Frank the Tank though, dog. Frank the Tank. You know what I'm saying? Frank the Tank.
Hey, so I respect it. Hey, man, I just hope we're so not far off.
Oh.
Okay. Oh, support.
I'll take it. I don't even know.
Listen, I'm okay with that. Okay.
7 getting some
Yeah!
numbers. 7 getting some numbers.
Chop.
7 getting some numbers.
Yeah!
Wait, I gotta take that one off and do
Okay,
this.
never mind.
No.
Let me official that motherfucker, man. That's what she
There you go. There go Jeff right there. There you go.
She's like Jeff and JD.
There you go.
Frank, where were you at?
I'm walking this trail.
I was the only one who put 1. And then I took 7 and 8 after that.
Oh, you did? You really did?
Yeah, I think
Okay,
so.
cool.
So
No. Did he?
One?
What
My
did
number 1 was 1.
He put 1, 4, 8.
4 and 8.
4, 8. Okay, so that's okay. You had 8.
Yeah.
My top 3 was 2, 3, and 8.
8. Okay.
Yeah.
I just.
If 8 is your number 1 pick, raise your hand.
Hold on. Between 8 and 7.
Between 8 and 7.
Between 8 and 7.
Okay, got
Between 8 and 7.
So you want 8?
Yeah.
2? I'm going 7s.
So 7, you got 4.
7?
Well, I don't know about.
Well, because you got 8 or 7. Because you're the tiebreaker. So
They're still.
you're still
Justin?
Oh,
So
Justin.
it's 2-2 right now.
Yeah, we gotta wait for this. I respect all the
7?
7.
Listen, if it's 8, it's 8. So we got tiebreakers.
What you got? 8 or 7, Justin?
Everybody's got a.
I
Everybody's
like
got to
8
vote. If it even because 7 to 8 is kind of is where it's at. So everybody's got to vote on 7 or 8.
Justin, we waiting on you?
Where you at on 7 or 8?
8.
Okay.
Justin?
Hey, bro, you can't just get 2?
Nigel.
Pick one. Pick one.
Mandy?
Pick a
7 and 8?
But
What was your preference?
I preferred 7.
so it's 7 it is. It's 4-7.
But wait, he gets to vote too. We're gonna let him vote on the top
Now,
4.
but 3.
That way you don't get him.
So 3 was your wait. I'm trying to. What was your number 1?
Doing it
No.
Yeah,
But
Kelsey's 2.
I picked 3. I picked 2, 3, 8. So everybody's on the wrong spot, right spot, because
Yes, 7.
that was in her top 3.
And I've gone back to it 6 or 7 times now. Yes.
But what was your ranking?
You the tiebreaker.
5, 7.
Okay, so that's good. 7 was on there. Shit, God, 7 was missing from 5. What's that match bill?
On what?
5.
5 OBSK.
Here you go.
Yeah, that's
What's 3?
OBSK.
What is 3?
Tiebreaker.
3
Paul, what you think?
OBSK.
There, 7.
Paul, what you think?
5 OESKs out there.
All voted.
No, wait.
Oh, that's right. Okay, what was 7?
I need to find OESKs.
7 is an OBSF.
No, I got
Oh, wow.
8. 7?
7.
OBSQ.
Y'all almost had me on 8, but 7.
7?
Uh-oh.
It says that draw 7 with the mouthfeel in the finish for me.
Yeah.
What is 4?
Listen what I said. I put on my notes 7. Best mouthfeel, honey butter.
Then that's it.
7 for sure. 8's good.
Really?
So if everyone can get this 8, but the 7,
Number 4. I was close.
I'll make sure. No.
that's
8.
it.
Number 1 is an OBSO. 10 years, 7 months. 2 OESO. 9 years, 6 months. 3 OESK. 10 years, 7 months. 4 OESQ. 10 years, 9 months. 5 OBSK. 9 years, 7 months. 6 OESV.
Ooh. Alright. So I know I ain't getting that one. That's good. I already got one of those on the show.
I knew y'all was tripping on
It's
yeah.
9 years and 9 months.
That's that one.
Your number 7, your winner is OBSF. 10 years, 5
Really?
months.
There we go.
Number 8 is OBSQ.
Damn, I should have chose 8.
11 years, 6 months.
I should have chose 8 because I don't have that recipe. I should have chose 8. Damn.
I know that.
Number 9 is OBSV. 10 years, 8 months.
Yeah, I ain't like that one.
Yeah, no.
And number 10 is an OESF. 11.6. It's also a tier 5, so it's going to proof out close to that 122.
Yeah,
People gonna go crazy for that. I'm letting you know right now. Tier 5, tier 6, they go crazy.
Tier 5, you say?
It's a tier 5.
They gonna go crazy over that.
So what's 8? So what's 8?
8 is
Tier 1?
it's a tier 1. So
I
it's
knew it.
probably
It's 8
105.
tier 1. It's
You
a
have 2 samples here, 2022 limited edition and a 2019. So I'm going to blind you on these and see which
Blinding 2 limited edition.
And everybody says which is the best.
I'm sorry.
19.
Most people say 19. Well, a lot of people have not had the 2022, but
But it's blind though.
everyone loves
It's blind. So we gonna figure it out. We gonna figure it out.
I've never had any.
say it one more time?
Yeah, I had the 21 when we was at.
So you
Yeah.
have two samples of the 2019 limited edition and the 2022 limited edition.
You know
so
which
you're
is
going
which.
to blind.
I
I do know
We're
which
gonna
is which.
blind
So
2
you're gonna blind
limited
those two and see which
editions.
one is
Damn,
which.
What?
Call nose.
The not red.
Justin.
The clear.
Oh, clear, yeah,
Nigel?
clear.
Marky is the winner.
It's the nose is the not red given the.
But the
taste.
palate.
We just doing nose right now. We're doing nose right
Yeah,
now.
nose is red.
Bro, you gonna-
Red wings.
Nope.
On
So
nose-
On the palate?
nose red
on the
is-
palate.
Yeah,
Nope. The palate.
it's debatable. It's debatable. It's half and half on the nose.
Not red.
Yeah.
Not
Chris?
red. Tastes better.
Really?
What you got? Not red or red?
So
I got red too.
Well, on the palate,
Andy,
On the palate, I'm going not red.
so I guess the argument is 22 going to take over 19?
Right.
That's what it is.
Right.
So that's a debate. But for me personally, like knowing like developing your palate, right? Like
oh, there you
who
go.
hasn't
There
been
you go.
drinking a lot?
Talk your shit.
When I logged them all up, like 20, 21, 22, I have them all.
Yep.
And at 19, I just went, oh my God. And it was consistent with this right here. Now the debate is 2022 better to be seen? Right?
Yeah.
Right? Because not everybody has 2022.
I got it.
Whoop.
He said I got
There
it.
you go. Who said? Who said that in the crowd?
But for me, hands down, the colored one was good.
And color was the wait. The red was the what? Wait, what was the red?
The
real
winner
19.
between the 7 of you, 4 of you preferred the 2022,
Yeah.
and 3 of you preferred the 19.
What did you whisper in my ear?
I said I prefer the 19, but
Okay.
2022 is really good.
Yes. Oh, check this out. So we picked number 7. We're getting ready to hammer in the what is this technical? The bomb, and we're getting ready to hammer that in. But we got number 2 coming in. Virtual Society Tasting. Vadim, thank you very much. A couple people picked that as a number 1. It wasn't mine, but we're gonna get that. Everybody's paying for it, though, right? So, you get a discount. You get a discount.
So
I'm
Ni-
not supposed like
So
20.
Nigel and Bill. Nigel and Bill.
Yes, sir.
I got you. I got it. I got it on
number
record.
2.
I got it on record now.
All right, let's go. Ready? Let's get it.
Oh, 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 oh.
There we go. There we go. Hey, Paul's this a special thing. He got the 18-inch chain too. I ain't never seen Paul with the 18-inch gold rope. He just said, look. And he threw the Yeezys on. He did? Yeah.
Look at you.
He said, look, I'm gonna pick it before closes. Yeah, that's one right there. There we go.
My name is too long. My name is super long, bro.
So, look, oh yeah, that was good.
What's today's date? 23rd.